Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Heidi. Welcome. In today's video, I'll be sharing how I made an acai bowl. This was my very first time making this acai bowl. And let me tell you guys, it's kid approved. I made one for myself and I watched my daughter outside play with chalk, and she came over and had a couple bites and she kept coming back for more. If you're someone that doesn't really enjoy drinking their food as a meal, this is the perfect option for you. It's a blend of different berries and it's an Amazonian superfood. On the back of the acai bowl mix, they even include a recipe to try. To start out, you'll add 3/4 of a cup of milk of your choice to your blender. The blender that I use in this video is a Ninja Fit single serve blender. I love it. It makes cleanup so simple and it blends so nice, and it doesn't take a lot of time. It's only a few seconds. I added 1 frozen banana to the almond milk. You can easily choose any fruit, even vegetables of your choice, as long as they're frozen. Typically when I make a smoothie, I'll add in all my ingredients at once, but in this video, I wanted to show each individual ingredient added in so you guys can see each thing and how much that I use for each ingredient. For the acai bowl mix, on the back, the recipe showed 2 tablespoons of the powder. I only used 1 tablespoon, and I think that was the perfect amount for me. For my first go round, I didn't want the berry blend to be overpowering, and I think I'll continue to use the 1 tablespoon. If you love blueberries or any kind of berries, especially blueberries though, this bowl, you'll want to try it. It's so refreshing. When I made it, it was like a little soupy to me and not thick like a smoothie. On the back, it even said if it was like that, to put it in the freezer for 5 minutes. So that's what I did. I think next time I may add in less almond milk or maybe add in some ice to it. I added in 1 teaspoon of peanut butter. You can use any kind of almond butter or nut butters. If you want to make this as a make-ahead breakfast bowl, make sure you put it in an airtight freezer container. To chop up my strawberries, I use this egg chopper. It also slices strawberries up really nicely. I used 2 strawberries for this bowl. Then I added in some fresh blueberries. I love the fact that this bowl is a create your own bowl and you can add anything to your liking. I think next time I make this bowl, I'm going to use some bananas and some granola. I use sweetened coconut flakes for this one. If you've created this bowl already, let me know in the comments below your favorite mix of blend that you add into your bowl. I added in the kind nut clusters. It had some chocolate and some sea salt and some almonds. Perfect little blend. And last but not least, I drizzled some honey on top. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, leave them in the comments section for me. And please consider subscribing before you go. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.